Hi. I decided to sell all this stuff. What I've got here is a King Arms Thompson that I needs a new trigger. Got a WE Scar GBB, this gas blowback. Scar H is gas blowback. A WE M14, and this is the real wood stock. And this is a Snow Wolf Barrett 50 cal. And I've got one WE 7-inch Dragon. That one's the A model, the Dragon A. This is the 7-inch Dragon B. I've got a Glock 14, a Glock 34, and I've got two 50-round Glock magazines. I've got a 1911 A1 with the custom grips on it, smart charger, and this nice holster. I got some other assorted holsters and pistol belts and all kinds of stuff down there. I have the original boxes for all of these guns, except for the MP7 that's in the other room. I've got all this assorted gear. Holsters, gear, slings. I've got four rifle bags. I've got some red dots here, some other assorted stuff. Whatever is, forget what's in it. Oh, this one is slings and belts. I got some hanging there. I got a bunch of electrical parts, some air seals like hop-ups and stuff, hop-up buckings, some parts for Thompson. I got almost everything I need to make two of them. Bunch of electrical parts, some patches, stickered pouches, and I've got some of these what do you call them? Some of these silencers. The oddball one. Let's see if I can get this open with one hand. But he does this stuff one hand. I can do it. Open. Yeah, some of these kind. Let's see, go to the other room. I got extra magazines for most things. And we've got over here and a KWA MP7 gas blowback. And I've got three spare mags in the mag pouch. A couple more pistol belts. The leather holster fit the Glocks and the 1911s. Got another holster in there. And we also have this WE Kimber. Oh, that's washed out. This is a Kimber. It's good. This has got teak wood grips on it. This is the Kimber Match Grade 2. We paid like 5 or 6, I think 6 or 7,000 for this one. But anyway, the price I paid for all this, just the guns and magazines alone, is about 85 to 90,000. I forget. But I've also got this this helmet. I think it's Emerson. But get a hold of me. I'll talk price. I think I'll probably just go ahead and sell all of this stuff to you for maybe 80,000. Uh, give me a call. You can call me on Facebook. Bye.